Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. As you saw from the preview, today we're going to be doing a Five Below makeup video. Yes, I said it, Five Below makeup. So I went to the store and I bought a whole bunch of goodies and I'll be showing you up next. You'll be surprised at how many things you can get. I'll insert a little clip here to show you how much makeup they have. I don't know if it was just my specific store because I've been to other stores and they don't have as much of a selection, but wow, I was amazed. So I'm going to start with the primer. For primer, I bought this Rise and Prime from the company Color Co, and it is a universal primer. And here it is. Another product that I purchased was these chic 5-piece everyday neon kit brushes. Look at how cute these are. So next we have another brush that I purchased the next day when I went to Five Below because I did not know that they had this. So this, as you can see here, was $2. And it looks like a good brush. So next product that we're gonna be working with is the Fairy Mist Setting Spray. You see that jelly right there? All that shimmer? All that shimmer? It kind of looks like my nail. I chose this one because of that. I want to see exactly how this works. I also purchased some my Beauty Intuition Surreal Contour Palette. So this is cute. And let's go ahead and open it up. So I like this, it's very cute. I like how it shows you here, you know, how it's supposed to be worn. For $5, you really can't beat it. But let's see if it works. Another product that I picked up was these Living Color 5-piece tricolor lip gloss set from Smoke and Mirror. Wet n Wild, which I've actually used before, and I actually love this foundation. It's a very good foundation. And then finally, dun dun dun! So this palette is the Smoke and Mirror's Soft Glam 18 Shade Shadow Kit. Let me just show you guys how it looks. Let me open this for you guys. You guys are gonna be like, first, let's look at this. This is very cute. I didn't choose the Glam Life. The Glam Life chose me. But secondly, guys, what is this? What palette does this remind you of? It has a little bit of fallout, which is expected from an inexpensive brand. But what do these colors remind you of? I don't know about you, but this sure as hell reminds me of the Huda palette. Name of it right now. I think it's Soft Glam too. No. I'll have to look that up. But it reminds me of the Huda palette. So first I'm going to go ahead and make sure my lips are nice and smooth and ready for what we're about to make happen. I don't have anything on my face. I just did my brows, but I don't have anything on my face. As you know, my brows are, you know, you can see in the video up here how my brows actually are. So let's go ahead and put my moisturizer. Now that my moisturizer is nice and dry, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this primer. And again, this is the Color Co Universal Primer from Five Below. I don't know what the smell is like. It doesn't smell chemically, but it just, I don't know, it has like a weird smell. Not my favorite, but I mean, it doesn't smell bad. Just, it made my hand feel very smooth. Wow. Impressive. Let's go right in. What it feels like. What does it feel like? I'm not sure. I hope I don't have a reaction to this stuff, you guys, because I really haven't tested this before. I might have put too much, but It's making my face feel like silk, honestly. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna prime my lid. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. So first and foremost, I did just realize that this shade right here, Drama, that is actually a cream. So I'm going to show you guys. It's a cream. I guess this is for, like, you know, concealing. Go ahead and go in with the crease brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with this Fling shade right here. There's actually no fallout from it. But did it pick up? Let's see. I'm surprised that there's not really much fallout, considering there was some on the pan when I opened it. So that's a pretty peachy color. Since that didn't show, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use this Ambitious right here. Again, there isn't any fallout, but this one did pick up, so no fallout at all. Now I'm just gonna apply that lightly and build it up as I go. That was a very light shade as well. It is very pretty though. I'm gonna go in with this shade over here, Vibes. Also, like, almost like literally no fallout. Like, okay, that one had a little bit when I tapped it out. You can see that little spot right there. That was a tap out. Okay, that is nice and pigmented and everything. Okay, not bad. I'm gonna use the Chic Pro crease brush from Five Below, and I'm gonna go ahead and try and darken my lid with this shade and this shade right here, which are Bay and Flashback. So again, with the no fallout. How's that looking? Let's go into the other side. I'm not hating these right now. They're not hard to blend. They're pretty good to blend. It could be the brush, I'm not sure. But it did blend well with the other brush as well. So, I like it so far. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease first. And for that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas, which I have used many times in my videos. This is kind of like my go-to for my creases. Okay guys, so sorry about the quality and the lighting. I had to switch over to my phone because my camera died. Yes. Anyways, so I left off when I was creasing my eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. So now I'm gonna take one of these shades. Let's do one of these and then we'll do a glitter on top. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that with the Chic Shadow Brush. Let's go in with Angelic. I think that's picking up anything. There is no fallout, so that's good. But let's see if it picked up anything. Let me do it with my finger. Oh yeah, it's much more noticeable. Oh, it's very creamy. It's very... That's definitely a highlight to me. Let's try these other shades. They are very pretty shades. I'm gonna apply this one right here, which that one is happening? I feel like I want to go in with some glitter, to be honest, y'all. This is the shade All In. That is definitely a packed glitter. It feels soft, but also glittery. AF. And it seems like it's gonna have, I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, there you go. Some fallout. I kind of want to use my glitter glue, but just for the sake of this video, I'm not. Let's see how that goes. Now, when we have to blend, we're gonna see if it blends good. Blend it in. Yeah, I'm having some fallout right here. But I mean, that's expected from any glitter. It's still very pretty. Vibes under my lid. $5, guys. $5. Hopefully I don't have a crazy reaction to this later. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm gonna go in with a darker shade just to darken. I'm gonna go in with this Baked Browns from Dose of Color. I'll go with this one, which is a little bit in the corners. We already primed our face, so I'm gonna go ahead with my Wet n Wild foundation. Ladies, always remember to use a damp beauty blender, please. This foundation is really good. For this, I'm going to be using my Shape Tape because this is why. I'm going to go ahead and set with this Color Co setting powder. There is no fallout. Well, there's a tiny bit of fallout. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that and set my under eye. Let's use this brush so a little bit more precise. I definitely did set my makeup for sure. I'm gonna go in with this contour and highlight palette. First, I'm going to go ahead and contour with my Real Techniques brush with the lightest shade. And I'm going to begin contouring. There are some girls that do some really freaking great contouring. However, if you are one of those people that is leaving your freaking hairline out of it, like you need to include your hairline in the freaking contour, please. Please, guys, please. It drives me. Like, that's one of my pet peeves. Like, it gets under my skin. I'm sorry. Kim K nose. Nose job, who? A 3-minute nose job. Almost said blow job. Okay. The blush brush. I'm going with this bouquet. So I'm using the Chic Glow brush now. My trick though for the highlight, if you haven't seen my previous videos, you go ahead and open. If you haven't seen my previous videos, I have a trick for the highlight that I highly suggest to anyone that likes to be beaming like I do. I love a good highlight. I love a good beam. Obviously not for daytime makeup, but if you're going out in the night, you guys like to be beaming like I do, so go right ahead. Talking about beaming, let's try the sunshine one. Okay, yeah, so this one is a little bit more beamier, if you can see. Yeah, like you can see. Let's do that without the setting spray on this side to see if it was just that effect or no. This one is definitely a lot more like how I like it, like beamy. Woo! Yes. Okay, so now I just lined my lips, so I'm gonna go ahead with the Living Color Smoke and Mirrors Cosmetic lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this color just because I don't think it's gonna be a very pigmented shade. It is a lip gloss, so yeah, I don't think it's gonna have much color. So I did line my lips. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. It is a smooth feeling lip gloss. I'm not loving the smell though. It does smell like old crayons. You know that smell, right? Crayons. It smells like crayons. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and wipe this off. Let's try this one. This is a tester from Laura Mercier. Little mini. Okay, you guys, so now that my makeup is done, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the setting spray again. It's very glittery. Always, 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 always use setting spray. Okay, so here's the final look, you guys. What do you think? What do you think? I think that you cannot tell. If I didn't tell you that it was $5 that I got this makeup at Five Below, you would not be able to tell. It's pretty damn good to me. And a honey light. I mean, I'm pretty shook right now, guys. I'm pretty shook right now. The brushes worked really well. The lip glosses were my least favorite thing just because of the smell. They don't feel sticky, which I love. They don't feel too thick. The primer, I think it did its job. My face doesn't look like how it does when I don't have primer. The brushes worked really well. I'm impressed with these brushes. They did their job for sure. They did, you know, set up a good standard for these brushes. They're really good. I really like these brushes. For palette, I absolutely loved it. I will definitely be using this more. The setting powder, I think it worked very well. It was $4. The Soft Glam palette. The only thing that I didn't like were the shimmers. I do have glitter all over my face, but that's to be expected with any glitter shadow, honestly, and I would probably use it again, but make sure to apply my glitter glue before I do that. Other than that, I like this very much. I definitely will be using that palette for sure. The setting spray, I do not like the way it came out. It comes out like a little mist, but there's like a lot of spots that are missing, so I have to like. But all in all, it's decent setting spray. We discussed the primers, the brushes, the setting powder, the contour, the highlight, the palette, which was great. And I would use all of these products again. I'm surprised. I thought I was gonna do this and it was gonna be patchy or my face was gonna look horrible, but they always have so much makeup over there. I really wanted to know how these things work. And I'm surprised. This was a good investment. I didn't break out, as you can see, so that's good. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Watch more videos like this one, and see you next time.